Alright guys, it is the 15th of August, and as a queen breeder and queen seller, I get this question all the time. I need a queen, do you have any? And I ask a couple simple questions, and this is a perfect example of what's possibly going on in your hive at this current time. Went through this bottom box, got all the frames out, looked all around the inside of the box, no queen. Frames are completely empty of nothing, empty cells. There's pollen, there's nectar, there's bees coming and going. I'll ask them, how is the bees behaving? As you can see, they're behaving just fine. I'm waving my hands, they don't care. They're calm, they're gentle, hadn't got stung. I don't have a queen. Yes, you do. I don't have a queen. Yes, you do. Have you went through your honey super? Well, no. Why should I go through my honey super? In this case, that one is, I thought, full of honey because it was heavy as could be. Looking down through the top, you would think that's all honey. Take the first frame out, it's all honey. Then, pull the second frame out. I'll do this one-handed. And voila, I've got a queen. Voila, down there is eggs. I mean, beautiful brood pattern. Post-summer solstice queen. Nothing in the fake cell. If you're in it to make money, come on, get a queen. If you're in it like me to help the new beekeeper and help some of the, help the experienced beekeepers. I know beekeepers that have been keeping bees for 30 years that can't see a queen. I know a master beekeeper that she couldn't see a queen if she had to. I mean, that's just full of eggs all down in there. Just something to think about. And actually right there she is. Right there. Alright guys, I'm going to put her back in the box. Like I said, perfect example of I don't have a queen. Yeah you do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share them if you like them.